This isn't the usual printable or wall art design everyone talks about. It's a digital product idea that's quietly gaining interest in a less crowded space. In this video, you'll learn how to create digital designs you might not have realized had potential using free AI tools and apply them to a print-on-demand product with Printify. While browsing through Etsy, I came across a less crowded design niche known as car coaster designs. A car coaster design is a simple circular graphic created to fit perfectly inside a car's cup holder. These designs are applied to absorbent coasters that help keep cup holders clean by reducing spills and moisture, while also adding a decorative or personalized look to the car's interior. To better understand how this type of design is currently performing, I use Allura, an Etsy research and analysis tool that provides insight into product activity. To get started, I first made sure the Allura Chrome extension was installed. After that, I searched for car coaster design, and right away, I was able to scan through different design styles that could easily be used as inspiration to create my own versions. This type of design can also be offered as a mockup file, giving customers the option to insert their own designs if they prefer a more hands-on approach. By clicking on the Allura icon on the side of the screen, I was able to view performance data for individual listings. For example, this particular listing was added just last month ago and has already shown strong activity. There's also another one that was listed fairly recently and has already reached impressive numbers as well. Just imagine having several active listings like this across your own store. Now that we've identified a type of digital product that is quietly gaining traction on Etsy, and considering that Valentine's season is approaching, it makes sense to shift our focus toward that theme, since many shoppers will be actively searching for Valentine-related designs during this time. I found whimsical Valentine style designs to be a great match for this product, especially because this design style is currently trending on Etsy. While designs like these are often offered as digital files, it's important to have a larger number of listings in your store to increase overall results, since digital designs are typically priced on the lower end. A smart approach here is to repurpose the same design into a popular physical product. This allows you to offer the design at a higher price point and helps you capture a wider range of buyers. The process of offering physical products is also very straightforward. You create the design once, apply it to a white label product, and when an order comes in, the item is produced, packaged, and shipped without you handling anything yourself. And I found Printify to be the best fit for this. Printify provides access to a wide variety of in-demand white label products that can be customized with your designs. What makes this even more convenient is that Printify integrates smoothly with popular online store platforms. This allows you to create products directly within Printify and have them published to your store with just a few clicks. With Printify's built-in AI model, you no longer need to worry about writing the perfect title, description, or text from scratch. All you need to do is provide a short overview of your product, and Printify AI will study similar items in your niche to generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, helping your product gain better visibility on Etsy. In addition, Printify's global network of print providers supports fast production times and dependable delivery for customers. I'll walk you through exactly how to use this service later in the video. To create this type of high-quality design, we'll need an AI design tool that produces clean and consistent results. For this tutorial, I'll be using Magic Media inside Canva. Before generating anything, I'll start by creating a new Canva project, selecting a custom size, and choosing a 1:1 aspect ratio. Next, I'll open Magic Media and write my prompt using this format. Imagine a whimsical heart-shaped cake with pink frosting, soft cream layers, tiny floating hearts, pastel watercolor texture. After that, I'll double-check that the aspect ratio is still set to square, and these are the results generated. Once everything looks right, I'll resize each design to fit the frame properly and export them as PNG or JPEG files. I've also prepared additional ready-to-use clip art prompts, which you'll find linked in the description, and a big thank you to my Patreon community for supporting this content. Once the designs are ready, you can choose to offer them as a PDF file or send them to Printify to be applied to a physical product. Before doing that, it's important to make sure the designs are prepared in a higher resolution. A platform like Let's Enhance works very well for this step. After that, you'll connect your online store to Printify, go to the catalog section and select car accessories, choose car coasters, and upload your design onto the white label product. At this point, Printify will automatically generate default product details for you. But to improve discoverability, you can then use the Printify AI model. Simply enter a short description of your product, and it will generate an optimized title, description, and relevant tags for you. Once everything is ready, click upload. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out my prompt list linked in the description. It can save you a lot of time during the creation process. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.